Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the aiGear Tactical Hiking Trekking Pole Stick. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of its package, you'll find that it comes in a nice little travel bag with arm carry, one shoulder strap, front pocket. You can throw wallet, phone, whatever in there. Looks like 2 slots for a water bottle on the side, stretchy. Might be a tight water bottle, not too much. Frankly, it's not one of these things that's super expandable. And this looks like it flips over from side to side. So if I don't want to carry on one side, I can just literally flip it over, detach, and take it to the other side for convenient carry. So let's get into the main portion of the bag. That's where all our parts and pieces are going to be. Pretty exquisite design here. The 2 end caps look pretty great. And then, of course, we'll have a number of other pieces. And inside, you can see they're all there's room for more stuff, but there's also just little slots for each one of those. So you'll have 3, 5 slots for the 5 different pieces here. And show you kind of the grip up close. As you can see, they're hollow, so you can store stuff in them if needed in this. And the connection is going to be pretty simple and obvious. Until it's tight. And some good weight to it, not overwhelming weight, but want to point out that at the bottom, if I don't want to use one of these, I can use this, and this will just maybe I need to figure that out. Maybe I'm missing something here. So we'll get to that anyway. So we'll continue to assemble. Oh, that's why, because one is not the other. So I was actually putting on the wrong one. So at the end on the top here, we'll have that. And this can actually go on probably either side, just to clarify. We'll undo this real quick and see if that will work on the other, because I think that's important to know. Nope. Yeah, it will. It'll get onto the bottom. So just be aware that you can work with either side on this. One will have more of that tight look. So we'll go ahead and continue to fill this out or attach them, and then show you walking around and outside. All right, so as you can see, this thing, I'm 6'1", comes up to a decent height. Could seriously use this thing as a way to defend yourself in situations if needed. Again, you have a rubberized piece that can go on here. Now it will shrink this thing because this piece is longer, so it'll shrink it by about 4 to 5 inches if you don't use that. So it'd probably come to about right here if I was using the rubber, which actually isn't bad. So again, this thing is awesome. If you do a lot of walking, or if you're looking for kind of something to help you get through some rugged terrain, this is a really nice piece. It's great looking. The grip is fantastic. I really like how they've kind of set this up to have multiple grip areas depending on your height, or how you want to carry it. So to me, definitely worth buying. Nice, portable. Put it in the backpack. Keep it with you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this review helped.